Hello, we are near the end of the build series video, but first this piece will need to be crafted. It is rather a simple one to make. Just cut the copper pipe to the listed dimension, then use instant glue to secure the shaft retainer in place. The rest of the build should be rather straightforward, so let's talk about something else. You might notice the new set of tires and wheels I am running at the start of this video. Those are RC 4-wheel drive rock creepers and a set of 3D printed wheels with military looking styling that also features free lock function that should fit RC 4-wheel drive tires and comes with air vents you can adjust when assembling, which I'm not sure if it actually works, but cool to have nonetheless. The files are now available on my Thingiverse page, and you are more than welcome to remix them for other small-scale RC crawlers. While assembling the rear half to the chassis, there's also a wheelbase increase kit available, which should greatly increase off-road performance. But for now, I will be building the short wheelbase one, since I am also working on the exterior design for such dimensions. Teaser image should be available on my ArtStation page, link in description. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.